America is short 330,000 welders. That is not a guess, it is the welding industry's own projection. And the average welder working today is around 55 years old, which means the shortage gets worse every single year. While everyone fights over office jobs that AI is quietly erasing, the pay for joining two pieces of metal is climbing toward numbers most college graduates will never see. This is the welding ladder. 4 rungs, no degree required, and the top rung pays like a surgeon. Here is why the money is moving. Every bridge, pipeline, power plant, and data center in America is welded together, and the country is spending over $1 trillion rebuilding its infrastructure. At the same time, the welders who built the last generation of it are retiring faster than trade schools can replace them. Demand up, supply down. You do not need an economics degree to know what that does to pay. You just need to be standing on the ladder when it happens. Rung 1, welding school, or an apprenticeship. A welding certificate takes 6 to 9 months, not 4 years, and costs a few $1,000s, not $100,000. Plenty of shops will hire you as a helper and train you while they pay you. You will start around $18 to $22 an hour. Not glamorous, but compare it to a college freshman. They are paying tuition. You are cashing paychecks. By the time they graduate, you have 4 years of experience and 0 debt. Rung 2, certified welder. Certifications are the currency of this trade. Every process you pass, MIG, TIG, stick, structural, raises your hourly rate. A certified structural welder clears 50 to 70,000 a year, and good shops fight over the reliable ones. Show up on time, pass your bend tests, and you will never send out a resume again. Recruiters will come find you. Rung 3, and this is where it gets serious. Pipe welding, pipelines, refineries, power plants. Pipe welders who pass the hardest test in the trade, welding a fixed pipe at a 45-degree angle, join a different pay universe. Traveling pipe welders make 100 to 150,000 a year with overtime and per diem. The work is brutal, and the test washes out most people who attempt it. That is exactly why it pays. And then there is the rung nobody believes until they look it up. Underwater welding. Commercial divers who repair oil rigs, ship hulls, and dams. Experienced offshore divers can clear $100,000 to $300,000 a year. The catch is real. It is one of the most dangerous jobs on the planet. The schedule is punishing, and the career window is short. Danger pay is still pay. It is not for everyone, but the rung exists. Rung 4, ownership. A rig welder with their own truck bills $100 an hour or more, and the whole rig costs less than 1 year of private college. A small fabrication shop with 3 employees can clear $200,000 for the owner year after year. At the top of this ladder, you are not selling your hands anymore. You are selling capacity. That is when welding stops being a job and becomes a business. Now, the honest part, this trade will test you. Heat, fumes, awkward positions, and inspectors who reject a weld you spent an hour on. Robots already handle the simple factory welds, but a robot cannot crawl into a pipe rack, weld overhead in the rain, or fix a dam 60 feet underwater. The messy, difficult on-site work is the part that pays, and it is the part machines cannot reach, so that is the welding ladder. School to certified, certified to pipe, pipe to owner. 330,000 open seats and almost nobody standing in line. The trades are not the fallback plan. Right now, they might be the best kept secret in the American economy. Get on the first rung and subscribe, because the next ladder is already on the bench.